Common sense construction. When shopping for a storage building, it is very common for many people to become confused and frustrated with construction terminology. Most people just want to buy a high-quality building at a reasonable price and don't have the time to become industry experts. Fortunately, most principles of construction are simple and common sense. For example, a wall with support studs 16 inches apart or 16-inch on center is stronger than a wall with support studs placed 2 feet apart. More wood equals a stronger building. Common sense. Additionally, common sense would tell you that a 2x4 placed on end would be stronger than a 2x4 laid flat. This is another standard construction principle. When a 2x4 is laid flat, it has only half the strength of the exact same board placed on edge. Unfortunately, when shopping for your new shed, you will all too often see design features that seem contrary to your good common sense. You will hear interesting gimmicks and sales pitches that attempt to answer your common sense questions and justify the obvious violation of basic construction principles. The sad reason for this practice is the industry-wide race to the bottom of quality. Many shed builders realize that by decreasing the quality and quantity of lumber in their buildings, they could greatly increase their profits. Pre-primed composite sidings that are prone to water damage have replaced the tried and true all-wood sidings used for decades. Eliminating in-house warranties while promoting manufacturer warranties and substituting OSB panels for real plywood sheets help profits grow even more. You don't have to fall prey to the slick advertising schemes and outrageous warranty claims of these inferior builders. All you have to do is look closely at the design of a building and use your good common sense. If a wall looks flimsy, push on it, see if it gives. If the door looks weak, it probably is. Common sense. We practice common sense construction at Storage Buildings Unlimited. A good building starts with a sturdy floor. We start with 2x4 floor joist on edge every 12 inches on top of 4x4 pressure-treated skids. We then attach massive 3/4 inch thick plywood decking to complete an incredibly strong and properly constructed floor system. Unlike floors built with 4x4 skids and 2x8 planks laid flat, our floor system is sturdy and stiff and distributes uneven loads more equally across the floor. Our walls are always framed 16 inches apart. This simple practice yields 40% more wall studs than the average builder who frames 2 feet apart. We always place our wall studs on edge with a massive 2x8 top plate for maximum rigidity and support. We continue our 16-inch spacing with our roof supports, or trusses. Unfortunately, it is rare to find any builders that follow this 16-inch rule. You will find our roof system superior in several ways. First, we connect our roof trusses with heavy plywood plates or gussets that are assembled with 10 galvanized screws each. You will most likely see other builders use flimsy metal plates called gang nails or staple plates to connect their trusses. What does your common sense tell you is better? Second, we place real half-inch plywood sheets instead of 3/8-inch OSB panels over our 16-inch centered trusses. We cover this well-conceived and constructed roof with premium grade A 25-year fiberglass shingles. By using common sense and proper construction principles, Storage Buildings Unlimited is able to offer you an exceptional building at an affordable price.